Rheinmetall Mission Master XT. The Rheinmetall Mission Master is a unique family of autonomous unmanned ground vehicles, AUGVs, designed to support military troops in dangerous missions, difficult terrain, and hostile weather conditions. On top of being valuable for reconnaissance and surveillance operations, the Mission Master platforms can be fitted for tactical overwatch, fire support, medical evacuation, CBRN detection, communication relay, and any other type of missions that may require the support of an AUGV. Each Mission Master vehicle is already networked with both Rheinmetall's soldier system and the Rheinmetall command and control software, which are compatible in any user's battle management system. This AUGV is built for forward and last mile resupply missions, silent watch operations, and carriage of light payloads, such as section sensors and weapon systems. Compact and highly mobile, the Mission Master SP can follow troops as a buddy, letting soldiers get closer to the enemy without being seen or heard. Slingshot X. The Slingshot has a tilt-adjustable steering wheel, side-by-side bucket seats, 3, and does not lean. It has no roof, doors, or side windows, and the whole interior is waterproof so it can be hosed down and drained out using drain holes in the floor. Beginning with the 2020 model year, the Slingshot is powered by a 2.0-liter Polaris Pro Star engine that produces 203 horsepower, 151 kilowatts at 8,250 RPM and 144 pound-foot, 195 Nm, of torque at 6,500 RPM. It can be fitted to either a conventional 5-speed manual, or an auto-drive 5-speed automated manual transmission, which is the first time an automatic transmission has been made available on the Slingshot. This transmission is essentially the same standard 5-speed synchromesh-equipped manual gearbox, but the clutch and shifting are hydraulically actuated, and computer-controlled. The interior was also redesigned and the exterior updated. For the 2015 to 2019 model years, the Slingshot was powered by a GM-sourced 2.4-liter Ecotec inline for that produced Tech Steinadler. Tech specializes in researching, developing, and producing high-performance electric off-road vehicle platforms. We lead the outboard powersport and off-road specialty vehicle industries, renowned for our expertise in distributed driving, electric motor control, chassis calibration and tuning, among other areas. Most importantly, we aim to offer new lifestyles and endless possibilities to explorers and adventure seekers through our products. With extensive design experience and various specialized off-road fields, we responded to a unique customization request from the user. This led us to develop a desert off-road ATV product that surpasses the capabilities of other ATVs. We're so excited here to introduce our product, Steinadler EATV, the first desert specialist with a proven 13,000 kilometers endurance test. Steinadler, inspired by the German term for golden eagle, embodies the essence of its majestic renowned for its just as the golden eagle symbolizes Glickenhaus Boot. The boot was developed by SCG, which also specializes in competing in the 24 Hours of Le Mans races and producing supercars. The benchmark was the Hurst-Barger Boot off-road racing car, which was raced by Steve McQueen in the late 1960s. Following on from this vehicle, the SCG Boot gained distinctive proportions with clearly defined wheel arches, wide tread off-road tires and quadruple round headlamps set back in line with the windshield. The boot was built in two body variants, shorter, 2-door and 2-seater, as well as an elongated, 4-door and 4-seater, which gives access to the rear row of seats through the so-called suicide doors. 2. The boot is equipped with both a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 6.2-liter V8 engine developed by the American automaker General Motors. The unit comes from the pony car Chevrolet Camaro and works with permanent 4-wheel drive, which allows for easy driving in off-road conditions. 3. BMW Duni Taxi. First things first, BMW hasn't said a single thing about taking on the Dakar Rally, nor a tilt at Extreme E. All this video shows is a dune taxi sliding and slicing its way through a desolate and staggeringly beautiful corner of the Arabian desert. According to the video, the vehicle that looks like an awful lot like a BMW electric rally raid racer has 400 kilowatts and 1000 Newton meters, more than 536 brake horsepower and 737 pounds-feet respectively, and has a body shell made from natural fiber reinforced polymer, or NFRP. If that's a new one for you, it's the same basic idea as carbon fiber, CFRP, but uses plant fibers, usually flax, instead of carbon weave. NFRP damps vibrations more effectively than CFRP and won't shatter like carbon fiber tends to. It's also better for the environment in a bunch of ways. So that's nice.
Can-Am Outlander 6x6 1000. Another person commented on that same Facebook post that you'd easily believe this is the kind of machine they use to get baby ATVs out of tight spots. I had to giggle because that sounds about right. It's a definite change from Can-Am's already popular standard 4x4 Outlander. Within the first 2 days of having the 2019 Outlander Max XT 6x6 to test drive, I put nearly 15 miles on it, winding my way through 60-plus acres of pasture land, fire roads, hunting trails, and my neighbor's wickedly fun ATV course. Because despite the power, the large size, and the dump bed in the back, that's what this machine is. An ATV with a third axle to give it extra torque on the trail. SHAMAN 8-wheel. The Avtoro's SHAMAN is powered by Iveco F1C 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine, allowing the heavy off-road vehicle to create 146 horsepower with its 6-speed manual gearbox. The 8x8S polygonal body looks sleek and smooth, with an industrial orange and gray paint finish over the exterior. The Russian manufacturer chooses to leave a driver's seat on the left or right, but opting for a more central position, creating a futuristic cockpit aesthetic.
The ATV's unique steering system has 3 different settings, allowing the driver, from the captain's chair, to switch between on-road, front 4-wheel drive, off-road, active rear-wheel steering, and crab mode, turning all 8 wheels in sync to move sideways. The SHAMAN can scale 45-degree inclines, carry up to 1.5 tons of cargo, and is actually pretty easy to drive, according to those who have driven the monster. The Avtoro's SHAMAN 8x8 takes approximately 2 months to manufacture, meaning each model is fully customizable.